Welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute skunk stripe wig. This hair is brought to you by AsteriaHair company. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the bag, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this bag, I received a wig cap, an edge control brush, some elastic bands, eyelashes, as well as the wig. This unit is a medium cap size, 180% density, 13x4 highlighted lace frontal unit. This unit also comes with honey blonde skunk stripe highlights, as well as adjustable straps and combs. I'm going to be taking my quick blue powder and 40 volume developer and mixing that up to create a nice thick consistency. Then we're going to take our Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray, spray that hairline back, or spray and comb that hairline back, just so we can avoid over bleaching. Then we're just going to add our bleach, and I let that sit for over an hour. Just make sure that the knots are turned so the hairline can look as natural as possible. I then washed it out with purple conditioner and shampoo. This is the next day. We're going to part our unit in the middle part. I do like, I've been feeling middle parts even though this unit was made for a side part. We're then going to just pluck this hairline. I like to use water to pluck the hairline. It's a new technique that I'm trying out, and so far it's been working for me. I am taking a little bit more time plucking my units just so the hairlines can look as natural as possible, and this technique has definitely helped. Like, this is how fast I go, and then once I have the hairline plucked, then I like to go back and just pluck back even more on each groove. Like, see how it's kind of hard to explain, but see how I'm going back in the hairline just so it can look a little bit more natural. And once the hair is dried a little bit, we're going to take my wax stick that is available for sale, by the way, and we're going to hot comb that hairline back. This actually helps with applying my units as well, just because I feel like the styling process is so long, or the customization process is so long. I like to do it a day before, so at least it doesn't feel like I'm spending the whole day trying to customize one unit. But here I'm just cutting layers into this unit. Definitely check out my layering tutorial, links in the comments and down below. And then we're going to take our Bio Silk, new product alert, and we're going to add this onto the hair. I've been seeing so many stylists use this hair product, so I might as well try it. And so far it's the same as if I'm using the She hair products. And here I'm pin curled this unit and just ready for me to apply on top of my head. Now it's time to install this unit. I received a new wig cap in the mail. It's way more thinner than the original wig caps that companies provide us with, so see the difference. The one on the left is more thicker than the other one, and I love the thinner wig caps. It just makes the ball cap method way more easier and seamless. But if you're new on my channel, I love to show you guys new songs that I find on Epidemic Sound, so I'm gonna let you watch me install this unit and listen to this new song.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds
distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of.
I hope you loved that song as much as I did. I love how this hair turned out. I got so many compliments on this style, so thank you so much, Asteria Hair Company, for letting me try out this beautiful wig. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.
I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.